a chance to get scheduled in, and we're headed now towards Atlanta. Not quite Atlanta, but towards that way. And we about to pick this thing up. All right, y'all. We getting close. Getting close. Got a couple more miles, couple more minutes, and we're gonna see what this new shop truck looking like. I'm real excited. Hey, hopefully she checks out. I guess she's an old state park vehicle. Alright, well, let me get up in here and see what we got. So this is the area that they had me meet them. Kind of like a little gift shop area, nice little view, pond. It was a really nice location. I'll be completely honest with you guys. I definitely want to revisit. Well, folks, after kind of got suckered into buying some souvenirs up here, I'm following one of the managers to the site where the truck is. So I guess we'll see where she is, where she lies. Kind of interesting. This truck's an old state park truck. So, you know, they probably never did this truck any justice. And according to the listing, it has a blown head gasket. So, you know, let's take it all with a grain of salt. But I'm going to put my phone down, kind of follow him because he's getting to it on this road. I mean, he's scooting. And then we'll see. Right. There she is. All right, y'all, we got her loaded, heading out of here. All right, folks, well, we about to hit the road, get back to the shop, and we're gonna start addressing some things with this truck immediately. So let's get it. I'll see y'all back at the shop.